everyone, the Honorable Lecturer Mr. M. Ramadan MPD, and all my beloved friends. We are from Group 13, consisting of Nur Fajrianti Rahma, Evi Sofiawati, Mia Priyani, Laila Fitro, Rita Hoirunisa, and Eka Mulyana. Today, we will discuss about business letter. Well, I will read one by one the discussion of our material today, namely definition business letter, type of business letter section, character of business letter language, form of business letter, and sample business letter. Let's take a good look. Happy watching!
Okay, definition of business letter. A business letter is a letter used by a person, organization, or institution that delivers written business message to other parties using certain media, whether is the form of sending message via post, fax, and telephone, or via the internet. A business letter is a type of official letter made for various purposes in the business world. In the business world, a person or a company will appear more reliable if they use a business letter as a tool to connect or communicate. It is often considered impolite to invite or hold an event without sending a letter to the parties concerned. Well, this also applies to business letter. Their presence plays a significant role in protecting the credibility of a person or a company and or industry.
Types of business letter. The first, types of formal business letters. This type of letter is generally intended for official or formal purpose or correspondence. For example, when you want to make an agreement with investors, clients, or other industries. Not only that, formal business letters are also generally used when requesting a sales report or resolving a dispute that occurs either within the company or external to the company, such as with clients, colleagues, or partners, or even consumers. The second, types of informal business letters. An informal business letters is actually a type of business letter that looks casual and not too stiff. Generally, this type of business letter can be used to ask for job referrals, employee evaluation, thank you notes, and so on. Even so, you always have to pay attention to the style of language and the parts in the letter. Moreover, informal business letters can also generally be sent via email.
Business letter section. There are 6 parts to making a business letter. The first, letterhead. Letterhead must be included in the business letter section. The goal is to identify who the sender the message or letter is. As we know, each company or industry and agency has a different letterhead. However, the message and information contained therein are not much different, such as company or industry and agency name, email address, business logo, contact number, post office number, and other. The second, date. Don't forget to enter a date that coincides with the day you wrote the message or letter. Generally, the date is placed at the bottom of the title. In the upper right corner of the letter, the date has to be written and full with day, month, and years. Take a look at this example, 20 October 2005 or October 20, 2005. The third, receiving data. It is important to include receiving data in a business letter. The reason is, if there is no data at all, automatically their message or business letter will not be sent. So, what are the data that must be included? At least it must contain the name of the recipient, position, company or industry and agency, as well as the address of the company or industry and their agency. 4. Regards. Greeting can basically be used as message opener. You can use greetings such as Dear Mr. or Mrs., name of recipient, or use other greetings. 5. Body or content of the letter. It with a business letter, you can create a paragraph by dividing it into three parts, namely the opening paragraph, body paragraph, and closing paragraph. You can start the opening paragraph with the description of the reason you sent the letter or message. Then, in the content section, explain the supporting data. For example, the place of the invitation coincides with the hours and so on. After that, the last paragraph is the closing section. You can send word to white for the recipient and say thank you. Signature. At the end of the business letter, don't forget to put your signature and the name of the sender of the business letter. Not only that, if you need special notes, you can increase the postscript or PS below it.
Characteristic of business letter language. The following are some of the characteristic or language features of business letter as follows. Number 1. Clear. Clear understanding here is a extension written in business letter or message that is easy to understanding and free from the possibility of misinterpretations. In business correspondence, accuracy is required in the case of words, sentence, integrity, and the use of facial marks. Number 2. Straightforward. The simple definition is thrifty. Thrifty means cheap in using the word, but with a complete scope of meaning. Number 3. Attractive and polite. Interesting language does not have to be beautiful like the language used poetry. Interesting language here means language that is lively and valid, avoiding the disreflection of words and can arouse the attention of the reader.
Form of business letter. The first, request letter. A request letter is letter used by certain party to express a certain desire or request or product to another party or business partner. The second, letter of offer. An offer letter is letter used to offer something, product, or capability that is owned by another party. The third, letter of agreement or contract. A letter of agreement is a letter that contains the right and obligation that must be fulfilled by both parties who make the agreement as well as binding sanction and is signed by the party who agreed on stop that. And the last, MOU, Memorandum of Understanding. MOU is another form of agreement letter between the two parties with a memorandum of understanding containing an agreement between the two parties to cooperate in one or more form.
Okay, sample business letter. 17 Fronted, Jakarta ID 11545. July 7, 2020, Miss Lilicious Transaction Marketing Manager BB Brand CO. C25 Fledgland, Jakarta ID 11345. Dear Miss Jackson, it has come back to my attention that your company, Sorbet CO, has been late with paying the bills for the first 2 months, so as to encourage our customer to buy their invoice before the dates. We've offered our education model wherever well. Offer video with 5 header of your invoice if you buy a North American country within the day of receiving the invoice. I hope that everything goes well for you and your company. You're one of all our big customers. We then to appreciate your business. If you got curious, be happy to contact find the find start at 0215325445. Sincerely, signature Bob Hellmans.
That's all for our presentation today about business letter. We hope that you can find something useful from our presentation and thank you so much. See you next time.